Augason Farms has become we are switching topics rather from wildfires to flooding. Recent disasters have many families, rethinking how prepared they really are. One Utah-based company has been helping people get ready for the unexpected for more than 50 years. Augason Farms has become a national leader in emergency food storage, creating nutritious options that families can count on when it matters most. We have Nathan Yearsley here, president of Augason Farms. Thanks so much for being here. You brought along some things to show us as well, but first, how important is it for families to be prepared when it comes to emergencies? I mean, we can name so many examples in recent weeks. Why is that so important for the work that you do?
So let's boil down. Let's boil emergency down to illness, injury, job loss, the thing that causes you to not have the money and you don't have food in your house, or a power outage and you don't have the ability to prepare things. Those, what I call an everyday emergency, that's the key, is we prepare for the little things. And the reason it's important is because people rely on us. Whether we have to provide for ourselves, our spouse, our children, aging parents, whoever it is, people need us. They're going to get hungry. They're going to be thirsty. They need us. So we have to prepare for the little things, and then the big things are going to be okay.
Yeah, and talk about some of the meal choices that you provide families. Walk us through that.
All right. This is the best part. We make it really easy. We do some pre-curated things like this kit here or in that pail. This is 72 hours. That's longer, for multiple people. We pre-curate those breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so you can just order one of those pails. You can get it, and you're good. This is 3 days worth of food for one person. You rehydrate it. You cook it, season to taste. You're good to go. And then you can add to it. Let's say that you wanted to add, what do we got here? We got blueberries.
Blueberries.
All right. You want to add blueberries to the oatmeal that's in this pouch. Well, you add to it, and now I've got something that not only is going to keep me alive, that's going to be great. It tastes good. And the super clean labels, very healthy, as good as we can make it.
Yeah, taste, you brought that up, and that's a huge thing for people. It has to taste good.
I have examples. Before you're done, you're going to have to try one because it is very good. The only ingredient in here is blueberries. The only ingredient in the strawberries is strawberries. We don't have preservatives. We don't have sugar. It's just clean. So
how do you suggest people get started and without feeling like so overwhelmed on getting their food storage in place? What would be like the #1 thing that they can do today?
So easy. I go to AugasonFarms.com. You can find our product in the local grocery stores as well here in Utah. Okay. But I would go and I would buy a kit like this, or we have a 30-day pail that's in a 5-gallon pail that's 30 days of food for one person. 30 days. Buy one of those, and then you say, okay, now that I've got 30 days, I'm kind of ready. Now let me add to it. I want to have pancakes, so I get my pancake mix. I want to have sweet corn because I like a few more vegetables, or we've got a vegetable medley. Then add to it, but get a basic kit, and then add to it the stuff that makes it to where it fits your taste and your desires.
Make it very simple for us.
Super simple. It's like going to the grocery store.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate it.
My pleasure. Thank you.
We'll be right back after this.